For a train, I must say these seats are very comfy. Got a great amount of space. I am the only one on right now. These are the stops. A little squeaky. And you also got some lovely outlets. And there's some Wi-Fi, which I'm gonna try and use right now. Arrivederci, Rome. I really liked you. And got this lovely table space. I feel like since I've started my travels throughout Europe, there's just so much history in every country I go. You just literally have to step outside and go for a walk, and immediately you sense the history that you're just surrounded by. I'm Dominique Vibez and welcome to my channel. I just got the keys to my new hostel. This is what she looks like. Staying in a... Okay, I had to put in a fresh battery. Got the keys to my new hostel. You can see how excited I am. Just checked in. This is what she looks like. We're in a female dorm. Got some lovely artwork. And this right here is my bed number 9. When you check in, they give you your linens and you can rent a towel. It is a $7 deposit cash, and when you return it, you will get €5 back. So really it's €2 for the amount of time that you use it. And you also have this is your cubby. There's the blanket, and if you have your lock, this is where your lock goes to lock all your valuables. Got a charger. Here we go. Got a little light for you. Got I got my mayonnaise. I need to do a hair treatment. I took out my braids yesterday and she needs some moisture. Also got a drawer if you would like to use it. Some extra space. I am so excited to see the rest of this hostel. The pictures of it looked, and it's a bit hard to see the sea from here, but I am in Sorrento. I thought that I was going to be staying in Naples, but when I actually did some further looking into the hostel, it's actually located in Sorrento. So I took a train from Rome to Naples. Took the express train. It's going really fast. 283 kilometers, approximately 176 miles per hour. And then I got on another train / metro to Sorrento. And this whole area, I'm looking at the map right now. We are the body of water is called the Gulf of Naples, but the sea that we're right by is the Mediterranean Sea. And the weather here is supposed to be so nice while I'm here. Nice as in 60s, which I'm very stoked for. Get to have some sun, but there does look like some rain later today, possibly rain tomorrow, and some cloudy / sunny days up ahead, but that's fine. I'll deal with it. Okay, here's another part. Always essential to have the mirror. Alright, I'm gonna show you around the rest of the hostel. I'll also add, it does look like I have a few roomies. It's like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 roomies. I wonder where everybody's from and if we'll end up being friends. I feel like traveling through different hostels and just traveling in general, you meet people from all over, and it's just really easy to make friends with people. You might have a similar interest, or you might not have a similar interest. You might speak the same language, you might not speak the same language, but I feel travelers are very open to that connection and just bringing the vibes. All right, my bed is made. Isn't she cute? I did not do hospital corners. Shout out to those. If you know, you know. You guys are ready to see why I booked this hostel. This is my view right from the terrace.